To get Disney Plus on your Samsung TV, first ensure that the software on your TV is up to date and that you have a compatible model. You will also need an active Disney Plus subscription and a stable internet connection. With these requirements in place, you can install the Disney Plus app by pressing the home button on your remote and navigating to the apps menu. From there, open the search icon and enter Disney Plus. Then select Done. When the app appears, choose Install to download it. If the app is not available, it may be due to your TV model or regional restrictions. Once installed, open the app and enter your login details to start watching. If you don't have an account, you can sign up directly through the app by selecting Sign Up and following the prompts. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully install and access Disney Plus on your Samsung TV.